Now the account is on 8.7 billion. So now here it was on approximately 2.8 billion. Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are doing well today. Brian here. So in terms of leveraging, what we're doing here, guys, is if you can be able to check the last 3 profitable trades that we took, including this one, if you can be able to check how much was deposited and how much profit was made on top. So it's 3 trades. Let's say, for example, out of these 3 trades, I'm risking the same amount. Let's say 5,000 per trade. And if on 5,000 on the first trade I've made like over a million, on the second one I've made over like about 700,000 or 300,000, on the other one I've made like about 50,000 profit. And if you can deduct the 15,000, which is the amount that I estimately deposited, you can see that my wins are more than my losses. So even if I can lose for the next coming a year or two, or even next week, all of it, I still remain profitable. So that's what Forex is. You won't make any impact and you won't be rich trading Forex when you don't leverage, because 0.01 while you make a trade, you are up 20% profit. When you lose your entire balance. So leverage is that. So whenever the market goes into profit, you add more trades, more trades, more trades as the market continue to go into your direction. So that's what leverage is. Yes, comrades. So this the guy was doing some numbers here. You can see the entries here. Like, hey, you can see for yourself that the guy was doing numbers, and yeah, he managed to make going as hard as he can, and it ended up to a point where he reached now the account is on 8.7 billion. So now here it was on approximately 2.8 billion. So if you don't understand what is happening here, is that I tell people to fund accounts, whether they're more real, and flip them. That way I can kind of detect the behavior of flipping. And yes, comrades. So this is where we are today. It went well, but yeah, we managed to make some lunch money. Not bad at all. I hope you guys are doing well today. So we took this trade today. You can see it's still moving. It managed to leverage some. Yeah, we've recovered some of the few losses that we've made, but like, yeah, one trade and we even made more profit on top. So obviously those of you in the signals, hope you guys are eating. Like I said, the importance of trading is making sure that one trade counts. If I would have made more re-entries here, I'll be talking about almost 2 million going above. But yeah, nonetheless, let's work, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, comrades. So this is very good. The guy managed to flip like crazy, and what's nice is that one trade like this in Forex, you don't need to trade for 10 years in order to be profitable. If you can make one trade count, then everything will be... yes, comrades. So this is the adrenaline student that managed to make something here. This guy's been very consistent with what he's doing. So he definitely obviously deserves funding. Last time, I think on the like about 2k to about almost 30 million. So if you can be able to flip like this, I've been saying this for a very long time. I'm even getting tired, but you guys get the drip. You know what is happening. So the aim is to make sure that you have a behavior of doing this, so that it is easy to make money in a long run, because of you won't be emotionally affected if you can be able to make so much money with one trade. One trade won't intimidate you to a point where you start peeing on yourself, not knowing what to do after you blow that money, crying and doing all those funny things. It's not the end of the world. Just practice and make sure you make this a behavior, then you'll be fine.